Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a pepper chicken. So hope you all like it. First take 1 kilogram of chicken, 4 medium onions, 4 green chillies slit in the middle, pepper powder half teaspoon, whole black pepper 2.5 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, tomato ketchup 2 teaspoon, soya sauce 2 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoon and lemon juice 2 teaspoon. First you have to marinate the chicken. So you have to add the pepper powder into the chicken. Then add lemon juice 2 teaspoons. Then add salt. Mix the ingredients and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. When the oil is hot, add onions and saute it for some time till it turns light brown. Now add the slit green chilies and saute it. Now add the ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons. And saute it. Now you have to grind the whole black pepper and fennel seeds in a grinder. Now add the turmeric powder and garam masala into the kadai and add the ground whole black pepper and fennel seeds. And saute it. Now add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. And 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. And saute it. Now add the marinated chicken into the kadai. Mix the ingredients well till the chicken is coated with the masala. Now add enough salt. Now close the kadai and keep it for around 45 minutes. In between you can open and give it a stir. After 45 minutes you can switch off the stove and your pepper chicken is ready. Transfer it to a serving bowl. You can have it with chapati or rice. Hope you enjoyed my video and it was useful to you. If so, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share. Thanks for watching. Bye.